it is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And before I put a case on this beautiful device, I just want to admire it for a little bit. There's the 3 cameras on the back, along with the flash, the nice screen, which I kind of have a fingerprint on it already, just by accident. We have the S Pen, which does not have the same Bluetooth functionality that did before the S25 Ultra. They removed some capability on the S25 Ultra, and it just feels nice. It feels heavier than any of my previous phones, including my Note 20 Ultra 5G, but it feels nice. I like feeling it. Like, the aluminum feels nice. And this is about as far as I'm gonna get. Oh, here's something. If you notice the S Pen, well, you'll know if you put it in the wrong way, because you'll notice there's something wrong with it. So if you put it in the wrong way, it won't sit flush with the case. Here's it sitting correct with the case. And just for those of you who are wondering, if you put it in backwards, for me, it doesn't seem like it wants to go in, which is good, because I did actually break one of the S Pens, the holders for it, the slots on one of my older phones, the Note 5. So I'm gonna clean the cover and I'm gonna get a case on here, and then we're gonna do a little review of it.